Do you have a DIY enthusiast in your life? Someone who is always tinkering, fixing, and creating? Finding the perfect gift for these handy individuals can sometimes be a challenge. A high-quality multi-tool set is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. It's versatile and practical, making it an essential addition to their toolkit. Help your DIY guy keep their workspace tidy with a durable tool organizer. It's a thoughtful gift that will make their projects more efficient and enjoyable. For the DIY guy who loves working with wood, a woodworking kit is the perfect gift. It's a great way to inspire their creativity and passion for crafting. If your DIY guy loves tinkering with electronics, a DIY electronics kit is sure to be a hit. It's a fantastic way to encourage their curiosity and innovation. With this list of the 10 best gifts for DIY enthusiasts, you're sure to find something that will ignite their creativity and keep them busy for hours on end. Presented by Coach Trina at Dragoyle.com.